In this class, I'll show you how to create bears for the fall season. First, I will start with the body. I'll have 3 identical bodies. One I'll give black arms and legs to make it look like a panda. Then I'll bring in my words that I have created for the Your Unique Character exercise. For my first bear, I have decided I want the expression to be lazy, for the activity, listening, and for the outfit, overalls, since it is fall time. For my second bear, I have decided I want the expression to be happy, the activity, going out in the rain, and for the accessories, a scarf and an umbrella. For my third bear, I have decided I want the expression to be peaceful, the activity, enjoying some fresh air, and for the outfit, a sweater, again because it is the fall season. Then I'll mix and match all the elements, and this is where all the fun comes in. I will start with the ears. My first bear will get small traditional bear-shaped ears. My second bear will get black ears, since it is a panda bear. My third bear will get furry ears, since it is a koala. Then I'll add the nose and the mouth. And then I'll add the eyes. My first bear will get lazy eyes. My second bear will get large spots around the eyes because that's what a panda looks like. And my third bear will get long eyelashes. For my first and my third bear, I will also add some cheeks to give them a sweeter look. Now you can see how different expressions I have created for these 3 bears just by playing around with a few of the elements. I will add a few more things. For my first bear, I'll give it some dots on the chest. For my koala bear, I'll add some fur at the top of the face. And my panda will get a heart. Now it's time to accessorize. For my first bear, I'll add overalls. For my panda bear, I'll add a scarf and an umbrella. And for my koala bear, I'll be adding a sweater. Now you can see how you can create 3 versions of a cute bear just by changing a few elements, and how adding accessories give the bear so much more personality and help tell the story. And at the end, I've created some background elements to give the scene a bit more of a fall vibe by just adding a few simple elements like clouds, rainbows, rain, and a fall flower.